So, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for science. Hey! We've got those plants in a hydroponic station. Come on, let's go see what they look like.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you can see our hydroponic station right here with our sunflower seeds, our bean sprouts, and our pea seeds. No corn seeds made the cut. This is a sunflower seed. It is very strong. The stem holds it up to the light so that it can collect those sun rays onto those leaves. When you look at those leaves, think of solar panels. They suck up the energy from the sun. If we look at our bean sprouts, we'll notice they're starting to do the same thing. They're sprouting some pretty strong leaves coming out of there. The leaves collect the energy from the sun to help the plant grow and make food. If we look at it from down here, you'll notice that the roots are growing into the water. In a hydroponic station, there's no soil, there's just water and sunlight. We will add some nutrients to this once they need it, but for right now, they're okay with the water and sunlight. We are growing some sprouts to find out what structures help them survive and grow.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you are going to take all of those focus questions and compile them onto one document. I had given you the heads up that this was going to happen. Today, we're going to actually go ahead and do that and make sure it's shared with me. To do that, you're going to need to take your other focus questions and the answers. If these are on other documents, you're going to have to either cut and paste, or if you have already started this on one document, you might just need to change the title. The title for this document should be Your Number, and then Science FQ. FQ is in focus question. We are not putting our observations on this page. You should create a separate document for that, whether that document be digital or if you're taking those notes on a piece of paper. But this should definitely be a digital document. Title it, Your Number, Science, FQ, FQ for focus questions. You have 3 focus questions that we've been addressing. First one, already answered. Your answer should have been more than a sentence. You got to tell me how you know. What effect does water have on seeds? Well, for that one, you're going to tell me that water helps seeds germinate. We know that. But the question is, how do you know? I know this because. Make sure that you're giving me a complete paragraph there on how do you know what effect water has on seeds. It's because we saw it happen. What did we see happen? There are videos to go back and review in case you don't remember.
I see you're working with Detective Control. You think that together you can find and stop me? Well, you're wrong. You can't. Excuse me.
How much water can a seed soak up? That was our second question. We soaked lima beans for that one. You're not going to just say water can soak up a blank amount. A seed can soak up blank amount of water. You're going to also tell me how you know. What did we do? What is your evidence? This digital distance learning thing is great because you can't say, I don't remember what happened in that lesson, because you can go back and rewatch it again. So go do that. Answer those first 2 focus questions. Here's your third focus question. It's the one we're currently working on. What structures does a seedling have to help it survive and grow? We are not prepared to answer that. We just finished our observations. We're not quite sure. We're going to wait for those structures to grow in before we try to answer this one. But that purple one, this is going to be your next focus question that we will address, all right? So ladies and gentlemen, get this document put together, get the answers for those first 2 focus questions, the blue one and the green one. You should ensure that you have it titled correctly, and then once that's all done, you have shared it with me. Don't share it with Chaos Monkey. That's not going to go over well. You have a wonderful afternoon. Thanks for joining us for our science observation, everybody. Bye!